Hi, in the previous video we have talked about recursion in Python in which a function gets called in itself. In this video we will talk about nested function. As the name suggests, a function defined inside another function, then it is called a nested function. For example, we have one function called outer, and inside this let's have one more function called inner. This is the basic syntax of nested function in which one function is inside another function. Nested function can access the variable of its enclosing scope. For example, if we have a variable in its outer scope called name is equal to Ravi, then I can simply access these variables over here. Now let's try to call this function author. Here you can see that in the result section, there is nothing getting printed. Okay, because there is print statement is inside inner block and inner method is not getting called. So let's call this inner method. And if we'll run this code, then it will say run. But what if we try to change the value of this variable name inside this inner function? Name is equal to Solanki, and then we're trying to change this one. So here you can see that the value is getting updated. But what if we try to fetch the value of name after calling this method inner? So here you can find out in the inner method it is printing Solanki, but after its outside scope it is again having its outer value. So the variables defined in like nested function, those are read only by default. So to make changes inside this one, so we have the concept of non-local variable. So we will say non-local name, and now we will get Solanki 2 times. In the next video, we will talk about closures. Till then, stay tuned. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Have a good day.